Now, before we continue, let's take a quick look at this unique prop firm. We all know that trading with minimal capital can be a pain, especially when you want to take advantage of commodities or indices with those massive movements. So that's why we've partnered with Forex Prop Firm. So they fund up to $2 million with a profit split of up to 90%. That really caught our attention. So all you need to do is complete a challenge and verification stage and get started. Now the beauty with these guys is the objectives are actually achievable. So with 4 different capital options to choose from, there is also room for growth. So get on board, check out their dashboard and trading tools offered, and quickly accelerate your trading career. Now, another thing that caught our eye is an instant funding model that is available. So you basically skip 2 sections, then immediately get funded. This means you start making some gains from the get-go. So check them out on the link on the description below and read up on them.
Good day, traders. Hoping that everybody's doing well today. Let's hop on the markets and see what we've got today. Drop your pairs there, drop your pairs on the side, and let's hop on. I think starting with gold, this is still a valid setup. It's just taking a minute to get to a zone, but we do have our alerts set up here. So once the market really does push to the top side, our alert will trigger, and then of course we will enter and try get some pips off that one. And looking at yesterday's setup, and we just missed that so closely. We got a couple of pips from it, but those that were on the advanced signals, you would have seen how we got in, retraced at 3R, got kicked out on the second trade. We didn't take the third, and it just tanked dramatically. But yeah, it happens. You miss those trades. Sometimes you do get them, but yeah, it's one of those. Don't forget to drop your pairs that you want me to look at on the side there, and then I'll definitely take a look, and then we can hop on. So we had a win and a loss, so I'm just gonna put 2 of these and a second one right there. Perfect. And looking at today's setups, I'm just gonna look at the 1 hour and see if we can pick up anything decent in here. For now, this is nothing we're gonna trade. We're not trading this one. Let's see. UJPY. Okay, nothing there. Let's hop onto the US 100. Don't forget to drop your pairs on the side there, guys. And also, of course, drop some likes. Okay, so it seems like we may have something happening here. Let's see what the 15-minute looks like. Don't mind the sounds there. Some of the guys are on the live. Okay, definitely muted there. Awesome. Those that are on the live on the bootcamp, just you can drop some comments, drop some questions as well if you need some clarity with something. But meanwhile, just be moving. Okay. US 100. There's nothing decent there. I was trying to see if we can pick up something here with a bit of liquidity here, but doesn't seem like we'll get it. So let's just open a bit more. No, that one's not gonna work. Let's move further. Use this Swiss franc. Just need to send you guys 4 setups for the day, and then let's see if you guys will get the hang of them and take advantage. CAD, JPY, nothing. Bitcoin, UCAD. Guys, we follow a very system process, so we literally know exactly what we're looking for. Okay, this one invalidated, so we are looking at something else. So what would happen now? I'll basically remove that, and or let me actually remove that alert as well. Just need to remove all alerts actually, and only leave the gold one. Remove all. Okay, should move these ones as well. I see Solomon Virgo wants us to look at GU. we'll definitely look at that. So with this one, just by looking at that already, we can see that we could get a potential push from the side, which means I'm most probably going to have to wait for it to retrace a bit and break again, because just one of these moves is not enough. So I need a bit of momentum from there. Meanwhile, I will be taking a look at this area here for a shorter time frame trade, because I can see it from a mile that we may probably have something decent. Morning, Zandile morning. Hoping everybody's doing well. Okay, so judging from this alone, the wicks are a bit of an issue, but we could find some decent setups. And I'm looking at this area here. This one has got too many wicks. They definitely are mitigated. Nothing there, nothing there. So I would probably look at a setup in this region. And of course, it's going to be pretty tight. So let's just watch out for that. So we'll have something along these lanes to look like this. Okay. So that's what our setup would look like on US oil. And then we'll have something along these lanes. Then of course, hop on. There we go. So this is a setup that we are going to look at. Don't forget to like the stream, guys. Don't forget to like the stream. And then moving forward, I see someone wants us to look at GU. GU does tend to give us a bit of some nice space. And also US 30, man. Okay, let's just take a look at US 30. Okay, there we go. So US 30, we are in the zone. So you can have your sell stops now. And once the trigger, of course, start working on it, we could probably have a decent one here. I'm going to post it on our advanced signals channel, because I do see something decent happening. US 30 sell stop at 33993, and then stop loss at 34128. There we go. So that's a setup that I was waiting for. So you could also have it now. Yeah. So I'm just gonna mark it. That's good. And then GU. GU. Shucks, this one is a total miss. Total miss. I think I had this set up yesterday, and we didn't even follow it. I don't know why, but let's go back into it and check it deeper. Oh, it's because I was waiting for these zones to be broken, and it gave us setups inside the range. I think for today, let's go deeper in. Nothing there. Then on the 15. Now GU is not a pair to look at as well. Definitely not look at GU. Let's see what the Euro USD has got for us on the hourly. Of course, we're trying to get setups that have a higher chance of triggering today. So let's see how that works out. And then we do NZD. Nothing there. This one we got yesterday. For today, there's nothing we can get in there. Seems like a very quiet day for me today. Euro GBP, we tried picking this trade up from the beginning here, but it got out of our stop loss range. We ignored it, and look what it did. It's gone now. But anyway, it happens. So let's see if we can't get anything from it today. EURGBP. I already did gold. It's actually yesterday's setup, so you can actually double check it. Price is actually closer to our entry now, so we're just waiting for it to hopefully get a trigger in there. EURGBP, we'll probably see something in the higher time frames, not in the lower ones. Yeah, the higher ones, not in the lower, because we did have the BOS over here. We just had another one now, so we're not sure how far price will go. But should it come back down, we're looking at this massive candle over here. And then if we open this massive candle over here, go into the 30, then we'd have something along these ranges. And then of course look for an unmitigated one. This is a 4 hour, by the way, so let's see how that works. Nothing here, nothing there. Not this one, probably this one as well. If we make it bigger, let's see that probably this one as well, but got mitigated here. So we got a bit of a tricky one, but would have something along these lanes. Let me just move that so it'll look like this. It's a EURGBP, guys. There we go. Perfect. So you'd have a setup that looks like that. Okay. Awesome. So you'd have something like that. There we go. So we are going to be watching that as well. And then let me just take a look at the last one for you guys, which would be AUD/USD from Katleho. Let's take a look at that. AUD/USD. Look, always start on the daily, guys. Always start on the daily. Look at this noise here. Let me just remove these. Probably have some wins here, but I'm not gonna go deeper into that. Daily, let's return by this sensitive area. I think we marked this a while back. Daily zone. Left some imbalances there. Let's look at the 4 hour. Guys, don't forget to like the stream. Just keep liking the stream so we can get some good moves. Just keep liking the stream. Okay, so we have something like that. Bigger structure over here. So we do have a decent retracement, of course, because of this daily here. But now there's a huge imbalance here that I'm getting a bit worried about. Let's hop onto the lower time frame and see what we can get. Nothing clean for us to work with. But I think probably in the 15 or even lower, we could find something decent in there. So let's look at that. Okay, there we go. We are still going. There we go. So we are still going here. Okay, yeah, we could find something in here. Definitely find something in here. Okay, cool. So with this one, we are going to have a bit of a bullish, bearish move, targeting these imbalances on the higher time frame and potentially find something decent in there. Okay, let's look at the 1 minute. No, we'll find the 15 and the 5. Okay, so this is how your setup would look. There we go. So we'd have something along these lanes, of course targeting the lows over here. So that's how the AUD/USD would look. I will add an alert here for once price does retrace. We are available for it, we're waiting for it, and then tank with it. Awesome. So we'd have something along these lanes on AUD/USD. And that's about it for this live, guys. Catch you guys tomorrow. Hopefully my YouTube will not give me issues, and then we'll just continue streaming. Meanwhile, I will be continuing with the bootcamp, guys, and we'll just continue to get some setups and move on from there. Happy trading, guys. Do check out our bootcamp. Do check out our signals. Do check out our prop firm. Do check out our Wushu toolbox. Cheers, guys.